हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। मैं हूं निखिल, मेरे साथ है सौरभ और हम बात कर रहे हैं 3-1 डिफीट टू पीएसजी गेम के बाद। एंड बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंटिंग गेम रहा है। मतलब अ गेम दैट वी क्लियरली शुड हैव वन। लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द सीक्वेंस ऑफ थिंग्स हाउ द गेम वेंट। सो सौरभ, फर्स्टली व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स?
You're right. ये गेम हम लोग को जीतना चाहिए था. We had enough going for us in the game to score more than they did. Um, थोड़ा I think we lost this game because of tactical naivety, and this is not tactical मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि um, हम लोग ने कुछ फॉर्मेशन गलत किया है, खेला या प्लेयर्स गलत किया है. आई थिंक जस्ट इन गेम मैनेजमेंट जो बेटर करना चाहिए था अपने को, to react to things as they were happening in the game. We could have been a little more proactive about it. Um, but I think I think we were a little too gung ho for the win, और उसके वजह से हम लोग we missed out on even a point that would have taken us to qualification. थोड़ा लीडिंग अप प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सोल्जर was constantly responding के we are going for the win that will take us to the top of the table. It's important to finish at the top of this table so that we get a favorable draw in the next round, which is all good. But पहले qualify करो and then top of the table देखो. तो इसलिए initially when we did the match preview, tactical preview, we thought that there would be a 3-man midfield who will act as a first line of defense. That was sacrificed for a 2-man midfield, Fred and McTominay.
Right.
एक striker add कर दिया था in Martial. So we played almost like a 4-2-3-1, and at a lot of times we were playing a 4-4-2 with Cavani and Bruno up top, Rashford and Martial, which might have been a little too attacking for this particular game. That's
Yeah, I slightly differ. I do agree. हम tactical preview जब किए, I completely agreed that that should have been our approach. But अगर मैं chances देखूं हमने जो create किए, there were so many chances. First half में भी हमें chance मिला था, वो after we leveled up, मार्शल का एक बॉल था ब्रूनो को, brilliant मतलब टच था ब्रूनो का, but then finished बहुत ही poor था. Second half जो हम आए वापस, knowing that Fred was on a yellow, firstly gutsy to not take Fred off, and I in a way supported that in my head कि अरे good that he kept him on because he was vital, at least the way he was pressing and the work rate he was having. But 45 to 65 minutes tak, we literally, I think we could have easily scored 2 goals. And at 3-1, I don't know if PSG would have had the balls to really come back. Maybe they would have had, but हम उनको काउंटर पे हिट करने का फुल कैपेसिटी था अपना. And at 65, I made a note. 65 minutes पे they made in a way a formation change. तब तक डियालो लेफ्ट बैक जैसे खेल रहा था, एंड इट वाज अ बिट ऑफ अ हैंडीकैप फॉर देम बिकॉज हमें पता था कि वो क्रॉस नहीं डाल पाएगा बिकॉज ही इज लाइक अ, क्या बोलूं, ही इज लाइक अ टुआन जीबी प्लेइंग एट लेफ्ट बैक, राइट? डिफेंड अच्छा कर लेगा बट अटैक में आउटपुट उतना अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. एंड देन दे ब्रॉट इन बाकर एंड हरेरा फॉर आई थिंक Moise Kean and who else? I think Paredes को निकाला. So they got that balance in attack and also in cover. Like when they had to defend, they had that proper balance. They could form that 3-man center back kind of in a way, 3-man at the back. So they were well balanced, but वो 65 minutes तक खत्म कर सकते थे. And yeah, I feel players let Solskjaer down. In a nutshell, if I have to say, players let themselves down. Very frankly, they worked so hard, they created beautiful chances, and they could have buried. Like PSG को शर्म आए ऐसे हम हारा सकते थे. And then yeah, we completely lost the plot. Fred was lucky to stay on the pitch. Fred got a second yellow, which I think maybe it was justified to give him a red earlier, but not this second yellow. And then things changed. And then substitutions भी ओले के थोड़े मुझे weird लगे. I don't think Pogba, but I don't want to go in there. Pogba shouldn't have been brought. I would have preferred Van der Beek, but again तब तक बहुत damage हो चुका था. I won't really
So
go and criticize substitutions here.
yeah, so pre-match जो अपना we went in for a win, and up to 65 minutes it was justified. ठीक है,
Right.
he went for the win and it was justified.
Right.
एक बार रेड कार्ड मिल गया. Firstly, was that preventable? 62 minutes में उनका Leandro Paredes was on a yellow,
Right.
Verratti was on a yellow, and they managed to take off Paredes so that they could protect him at 62 minutes. हम लोग ने नहीं किया वो substitution, which is okay. मतलब that's a risk that we were taking.
Right.
So there were a couple of ways in which we could have protected Fred. एक just to leave him on the pitch and chance पे देख लेंगे, that was a little naive. मुझे लगता है कि without substituting Fred, we could have still continued to play Fred for the 90 minutes. हम लोग अगर after the first 60 minutes अगर हम लोग Van de Beek या मतलब कोई midfield support लाते थे, if we could have maybe pushed Rashford, Cavani up front, Bruno behind him, and then had a 3-man midfield of Van de Beek, Fred, and McTominay, that would have still allowed Fred to not go into those tackles, not commit into those tackles which were risky. So sirf Fred ko nikalna was not the only solution. There were other options that he had, which was disappointing. And the other thing was, Javi, we know between all of our midfielders, हमारा जो 6 midfielders का analysis किया था हम लोग ने, in all of those, the least defensively capable midfielder is Paul Pogba. And when I say defensively capable, he doesn't have enough running, pressing, tackling, attacking. Even though Bruno plays up further up the pitch, he's still a good presser. He still has a tackle in him. He is still physical. Van de Beek का भी same है. I think I felt we were going to lose the game after Fred got a red card only after Paul Pogba was our first substitution. तभी तक भी मुझे लग रहा था कि we can still manage this if we could have tactically played a little smartly. In-game management जो था, after Fred got a red card, I felt कि the logical substitution was Martial को हटाओ, sacrifice a striker at that point, and then pad up the midfield. मतलब instead of McTominay and Fred, still play McTominay, Van de Beek. Or if you wanted to get a little more defensive, get McTominay, Van de Beek and Pogba, जो eventually उसने किया, which was in the 82nd minute.
Yeah.
But ये protection पहले लाना चाहिए था उसको. I think that's what I meant कि थोड़ा in-game management और थोड़ा naivety हम लोग ने, we went too gung-ho for the attack. We went too gung-ho for the goal.
Right. No, yeah, I when you mentioned the Pogba aspect, I completely agree. That is where we went wrong. Matlab, I don't want to rant about Pogba because he played for a few minutes. We were 10 men at that point. But seriously यार, वो मतलब बंदे का defend करने का intent ही नहीं रहता कभी, ऐसे लगता है. But I'm not going to go there. I do agree. Substitution should have been better, and we could have protected. We could have probably at least drawn this game because PSG उतना amazing नहीं खेल रहे थे.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If this game ended at 65 minutes before Fred got sent off, United deserved to win that game.
Right.
And if this game was अगर यही थोड़ा Mourinho-esque रहते थे हम लोग in the approach to the game after the red card, it could have still been salvaged to 1-1. मतलब थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग, we could have taken a point out of this game. थोड़ा that urge to go for the win cost us, मुझे लगता है, in the end.
Right. And yeah. But now thinking about what has happened, the table looks really dangerous for us. Abhi, we go away to Leipzig, right? And PSG have to play Istanbul Başakşehir. Though Istanbul ne thoda scare diya Leipzig ko, I feel there's a good chance PSG will win that game. And
no
and against Leipzig would be licking their lips. कि भाई अभी अपने को chance है. They are coming off a defeat. Let's try to hit them hard. and obviously they would want a revenge for the loss that they had, 5-1 loss. So I'm really scared going into that final game. And I hope in that game now we aren't overly defensive.
उसके वजह से and I looked at the fixture list, and that is one more reason why I thought that going gung ho for the win in this game was a little naive, क्योंकि Leipzig मैच के बाद immediately we are playing City. ठीक है, आज अगर हम लोग either we would have started off to concede as little goals as possible, थोड़ा defensive start करते थे, या even in game अगर हम लोग last 30 minutes shut out करने को देखते थे उनको, and if we would have taken the point, at least we know कि हम लोग qualify कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. And Leipzig मैच में maybe थोड़ा और rotation, maybe जो 5 substitutes वो बोलता है कि Champions League में we could have rested some players so that Manchester City game के लिए we could have kept our players fresh and avoided injuries तभी. Knowing के qualification secured है, अभी अपने को top of the table जाने के लिए we need to make an attempt. I think आज थोड़ा मुझे लगा कि we jumped the gun.
Yeah, I quickly want to touch upon a couple of things that we did good things, I would say. हमने जो tactical preview, again हम card डालेंगे हमारे last tactical preview का, but yeah, we did talk about United using those channels, left back and right back वाले channels. वो बॉल मतलब फ्रेड ने 1-2 अच्छे बॉल खेले, लिंडलॉफ ने अच्छे खेले, एंड Rashford and Cavani were being utilized actually in some of those, especially some of that time when we were dominating them and we were like really looking close to scoring. So those were some of the things we did well. But yeah, what has happened. We go into the Leipzig game. I think, yeah, I don't know how we'll approach it. Hopefully we go through the group. We were hoping to win this group, and now we might just hope that we at least come second and not get go down to the Europa League. So yeah. Any closing thoughts, Saurabh?
नहीं, between this game and weekend का game, मतलब upcoming game जो है अपना West Ham के against, if you ask me कि कौन सा game में तेरे को 3 points चाहिए और कौन सा game में 0 चाहिए, I would have said कि Premier League में मुझे 3 point दे दो, Champions League में we'll die another day ऐसे. मतलब और एक opportunity तो है अपने पास, तो ठीक है. We are coming off a decent run, 4 consecutive wins. In the greater scheme of things, ये game हारा West Ham के against अगर हम लोग जीतते हैं, Leipzig के against if we get a point and we qualify, and City के against जीतते हैं, then we are still okay. Okay. हम लोग we would have still qualified. We would have still taken maximum points against the Premier League oppositions who we should be beating.
Right. Yeah. Anyways, that's from us, guys. I hope you do like the content. Do like us know what you think about the game. Do you agree with what we just mentioned? And please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.